I'm the life of the party. I'm always smiling on the surface. I'm as happy as can be. And I don't watch the news, and I don't read the papers, and I don't like chicken soup for the soul.
Do you want to share my apple pie? I don't understand why people cry. Can we just all get it along? Everybody, come on.
When things get heavy, I'll change the subject and I'll talk about ice cream and teddy bears. Every time you tell me about your problems, I get rigid and scared and I shut off.
Do you want to share my apple pie? I don't understand why people cry. Can we just all get it along? Everybody, come on. I've never been sad 'cause of lack of emotion. I'm very, very glad. I've never been real 'cause my armor means I never have to fail. Do you want to share my apple pie? I don't understand why people cry. Can we just all get it along? Everybody, come on.
I don't dig confrontation, I keep my mouth shut, but I lie to save my own ass. People talk of politics and people talk of war, and I don't know why they are so upset.
Do you want to share my apple pie? I don't understand why people cry. Can we just all get it along? Everybody, come on. Everybody, come on. Everybody, come on.